Good morning, students. The topic that we cover today is international trade. International trade means the exchange of goods among people, states, and different countries. It is trade, and when this exchange is done between two countries, it is called international trade. And a local trade is carried in different cities, different towns, and villages in the same country, and it is done through sea, air. If we talk about international trade is done through sea route, air route, and land route, while local trade is done at state level. Local trade is done between two or more states. So here we can use roadways as well and railways as well. Advancement of international trade of a country is an index to its economic prosperity. Now, in one country, if we see there is a development in international trade, we can see it as an index. The more international trade is there, the more country is prosperous. So that is why international trade is considered the economic barometer of a country. As the resources are space bound, no country can survive without international trade. Export and import are the component of trade. Now, how international trade are done? Through import and export. Exports means when we are selling our goods in different countries, and import means when we buy different things from different countries. So no country can survive without international trade, because some resources are present in one area and some resources are present in another area. So we have to do this import export. And the balance of trade of a country is the difference between its export and import. The balance of trade means how much goods a country is exporting in different countries and how much goods are imported in our country. So when the value of export exceeds the value of import, it is called a favorable balance of trade. When we export more than import, when we sell our goods in different countries more than we buy goods from different countries, it is called favorable balance of trade. Or on the contrary of this, if the value of import is increased, then the value of export, it is called unfavorable balance of trade. India has trade relation with almost all the major blocks and all different areas in the world. Among the commodities of export, whose share has been increasing over the last few years. So if we can see here, according to the data, in the 2004 and 5, agriculture and allied products were export 2.53%, ores and minerals, it was export 9.12%, 9.12%, gems and jewelries. These are the percentage it is given here about different goods which were exported. Now the commodities imported to India, these are written here. These are the list of things which are exported from India, and these are the list the commodities which is imported to India. It is written in percentage. Okay, you can see here. These all things are imported in India. So international trade has undergone a sea change in the last 15 years. Now if we talk about the changes in international trade, so many changes have took place in the last 15 years. So exchange of commodity and goods have been superseded by the exchange of information and knowledge. India has emerged as a software giant at international level, and it is earning large foreign exchange through the export of information technology. So many informations are IT sectors, you can say. So India is doing very good in IT sectors, so that is why they are earning more. They are earning more foreign exchange, foreign values through IT sectors.